What's up, car lovers? Welcome back to Uscus Updates 2025. Today, we're going to talk about a car that's so bold, so edgy, and so utterly insane that it'll leave you speechless. Say hello to the Toyota Skull Crusher, the most extreme Toyota concept car ever created. The Toyota Skull Crusher is a car that's not for the faint of heart. Its design is inspired by the darkness and the mystery of the skull, with intricate details and bold lines that'll make you feel like you're driving a work of art. The car's body is adorned with skull-inspired designs from the front grille to the rear spoiler, giving it a unique and intimidating look on the road. And it's not just the exterior that's impressive. The interior of the Toyota Skull Crusher is just as bold and edgy, with a dashboard that's shaped like a skull and seats that are designed to look like they're made from black leather and metal studs. But the Toyota Skull Crusher isn't just about looks, it's also a beast on the road, with a powerful engine that produces over 500 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque. The car can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest Toyota cars ever created. And with its advanced handling and suspension system, the Toyota Skull Crusher can take on any road with ease, whether it's a twisty mountain road or a straight highway. The Toyota Skull Crusher is also packed with features that'll make your driving experience even more enjoyable. From its advanced infotainment system to its premium sound system, this car has everything you need to stay entertained on the road. And with its advanced safety features, including lane departure warning and blind spot monitoring, you can drive with confidence and peace of mind. So, what do you think of the Toyota Skull Crusher? Is it a car that you'd love to own, or is it too extreme for your taste? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car content. See you in the next video.